You can request captions for videos in your Panopto Recordings folder by sharing the link to CaptionHub. CaptionHub is available inside your course navigation. If you can't see it in the course navigation by default, you can scroll down to the settings at the bottom, click on Settings, Navigation tab, and then enable it from the options below. So back to Panopto Recordings. It's helpful if you open CaptionHub in a separate tab if you're doing several videos. So like a right click, open a new tab. You can see here I have CaptionHub open in this second tab. And to request captions for a video, what you do is go to Panopto Recordings, click on the video that you want to request captions for, click on the option dots in the corner, share, copy link, and copy the video link. Then go to the CaptionHub tab, create new request, paste your link, hit the Panopto button or YouTube button if you're pasting a YouTube link into this field. It will find the video. You go through the options and select what's appropriate for you. Select a default turnaround time for 10 days unless you have a specific request to get this done faster. And select your style of license for the video. The course ID will fill in automatically based on the course that you were inside of when you copied the link. So I was in my practice course for this video, so it's showing course ID practice course. If you do have highly technical language that you found can be confusing, you can type in those words into the glossary here to assist the captioning service. And when you're finished, you can click on Create Request. Then you'll be taken back to your CaptionHub home screen where you can see your requests and the status of them being fulfilled.